Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would really love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, we're going to be making something. And if you're asking yourself, what is she up to today? I'll show you. Well, I learned how to make something, and I'm going to grab it really quick. Well, it's a camping stove, really. And it's out of a soup can. And all you need, for some of us who have strong hands, all you need is this old-fashioned can opener. But because I have problems with my hands, because I have arthritis, I had to use an extra tool. And I'll show you what I used. My husband found this little tool right here. Okay? It looks like a hook, but it's got a pointy end. Okay? And what I did was, especially on the bottom, because you know how tin cans have thicker layer on the bottom, what I had to do was I had to take this with a rubber mallet and just pop a hole real quick, okay? So, I'm going to show you how to do this. Oop, lint bowl. Told ya, I keep my lint. So, the easiest way I have found how to do this is there's like 6 holes on the top here, 4 around the bottom part, and then another 4 on the bottom here. So, if you can, let's go ahead and try this, okay? Now this can that I'm using is Progressive Soup. And what these are, they're vent holes, okay? Hi guys, my dogs are outside with us today. Okay, now, what I'm going to do is take this little tool here and right where the original holes are, try and put some kind of like an indentation or another hole, okay? Just like that. Now try and make it bigger, but like I said, with my hands, it's tough. So I'll make that just a little bit bigger. My husband helped me out with this last night. Now that we have our holes on the bottom as well as more on the sides here, you want to start putting them on the very top as well. Now, I have heard of this little like stand that you can make. I'm still learning how to make that, so I'm not going to be incorporating that into this video today. But it looks like a tripod, okay? That's held together with zip ties. But like I said, I'm still learning how to make that. But what you can also use is a utensil holder. I found this at Big Lots. It was $10. It's extremely sturdy, okay? So, plus it has holes on the bottom, more ventilation. And the soup can fits nicely right inside. So, I'm going to take my fire starters, some lint. I have some twigs here. And what I like about this is that you could put your pan or your pot right on top of here, and it puts just enough space between your little camping stove here and the pot or the pan, okay? And the spaces in between, you can stick your twigs right in there to keep your fire going so you can continue to cook. So let's get started. And there you go. Okay. Jeez. It's a little windy out here today. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I gotta get this out before the dogs come over here. No, you stay over there. No, Penelope, you stay over there. Alright guys, No, Penelope. Hi. No. Come on. Come on. I don't want you near the fire. Come on. Okay, guys. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment. I love to talk to all of you all the time. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I hope this goes up. Bye.